Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is money as a tool.
So, once you start making some money, finally start making money in your business, you're going to get to the point where you want to save everything. Because you have been so used to, for so long, to hoard that money in and hold that money in and not spend a dime because you don't know what next month's going to look like. But now your business, it's bursting at the seams. It's trying to go, right? It's trying to go on you. But you're throttling it back. And it's because money can be used as a tool. We talk all the time about getting tooling, and I talk in my shop about not worrying about sweating the cost or buying tools that you need and all this other stuff. And that goes right along with this. Money is not meant to just be hoarded and piled and sat on as you sell the same product again and again, and it takes you the same amount of time each time to make that same product again and again. You're meant to progress in your business.
Yeah.
So, give you an idea. If you had to make one item and you got paid $20, but it took you 8 hours, now you can take and cut that time in half by buying a $60 tool. You're like, man, that's expensive. Okay. I don't really want to get that, right? But now you could cut it in half so you can do $40 worth of product in that same 8-hour period.
Yep.
Within 1.5 months, you've paid for that tool. Or 1.5 days, you have paid for that tool effectively. So that's where money is a tool. It can help propel you forward.
Yeah.
If you use it in the right way.
Yep. Yeah, this was a difficult concept for me to grasp because I'm very frugal. And like we talked about in the other one about convincing your spouse to let you buy tools, that was not an easy thing for me to let you do. Finally, I'm getting the concept on it and try to let you pick out specific tools and things like that.
Yeah. And one of the things that's a hard concept for me to grasp was, Jessica's done without for a long time inside the house in, the office as far as like computer equipment and just accounting software. It just things that would make her life a lot easier, stress her out a lot less, and take less time. And because I've always like, I don't want to spend $400 on some accounting software or whatever. I'd rather have that tool in the shop, right? Than something on a computer screen. But that in of itself is spending money as a tool. It made her more efficient, which in turn made me more efficient as well.
Yeah, it did.
So that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3.
Thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.